Welcome everyone to Busy Mallus. Today we're going to talk about the issue with Dyson V7 motor head vacuum cleaner. This vacuum cleaner is switching on and off, which is also called pulsing. So let's see how we can resolve this issue of pulsing. So pulsing is there's not much suction and it's getting on and off when you keep pressing. The issue is mainly because there's some dust that's get stuck into this, so you have to check the passage is the correct, and all the dirt can suck into this filter. So let's see how we can resolve it. So first you would have to remove the base and clear out all the dust. So to remove the base, just pull this red color and then pull it, and this will open, and then clear out all the dust that's inside this. Sometimes there might be dust in here, so make sure that you clear out everything using something that's available. So now if you see a lot of dust in here, so just make sure that you have cleared everything. Just press it to close it, and then just to make sure that the filter, everything is looking good, just close it and try again. Now it's working perfectly. So it was all because of the dust getting accumulated in here. Just clear the dust and everything should be working fine. This is a Dyson V7 motor head, and it works really well. The charges last for almost 20 minutes if it's in high suction, and if it's in max suction it lasts for 5 to 10 minutes. All you would need is a high suction to get all the dust out. Works really well. I got it from JB Hi-Fi for around $400. It was running an offer at that point. So we have now resolved the issue of the on and off issue for the Dyson V7 motor head. Thanks for watching Busy Mallus, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.